All right, just got out of theater. It's cold, so I'll keep it quick. Well shot movie, well directed, pretty well acted. I can't say too much. You know, everybody's expecting that twist, and I can't say comment about that. Spoiler free, but it's a little bit atypical of M. Night Shyamalan. Maybe he's going in a little bit different direction, but it's interesting watch. I don't think this movie's for everybody. Some people, you're gonna probably scratch your head, come out of this theater a little bit, but I definitely don't think it's a gory horror movie. It's a suspenseful movie, and you're guessing right up to the end. So I'll leave it at that. It's a good movie. I'll probably give it a B+. It's fun in some ways, and the acting is great. And Dave Bautista definitely steals the show. He's definitely good in this. So yeah, go out to the theaters if you can. Knock at the Cabin.